All right, so this is how you use this page for your planning. It tells you what task, so this is for the screener, and this is task number one was all about solving a division problem. So what you can do if you felt like you just need to practice that, you just click on that button, and what that will do is take you to a document that has all of the different strands you could be doing for practicing that on IXL. You would put these strands, so this is 5D.15, that would be go into your planner saying that you're going to do that. You click on that and it will take you to IXL so you could work on that. Make sure if you want to keep track of it, sign in, do the math, all that good stuff. Okay. Now, if you felt like task one was too hard for you and you have things that you need to do and work on, then that's where this stuff comes in on the left-hand side. These are past math standards, some in fifth grade, some in fourth grade, that if you work on will help you out. So there's a good chance that if you struggled on task one, you struggled on task two. So just understanding that and going through there. And then task three is down here by itself and it has these three things in it. So again, do you think it's just what you need to work on is just a little bit of practice? Do you think there's things that are missing? So then you go to your left. Okay, so make a plan from there. Make sure you update it. All that good stuff. If you need my help, please let me know. Bye.